'di ba? But here we're going to focus on individually, how can you also promote this or how can you support this advocacy? Kasi 'di ba ngayon ang dami na ng mga tao na they're really into looking into into wellness and fitness, right? But then how can they be assured na what they know, yung knowledge nila can truly help them um support and promote yung importance ng health. Okay, so uunahin mo kasi yung sarili mo. Kaya that's why this article says self-help advocacy. How can you practice it properly? Okay, first of all, ang kailangan mo dyan is yung knowledge mo. But before anything else, this article, by the way, first came out in the from Asian Hospital like 2 years ago. But it's still very relevant sa atin.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
so
my,
yan yung introduction ko about our topic. But
it's my,
before that, of course,
oh, it's my,
yep.
yeah, sisingit lang ako. Can somebody record your ano? Kasi I'm having trouble here to record the ano eh.
Meron na, Alvin. Meron na, Alvin. Nakikita ko. Meron na po.
Nire-record ko, Coach Alvin.
Go ahead,
Okay
man.
na? Okay na tayo?
Yeah, go. Thank you,
Okay
thank
na, sige. Okay, but before that, I'm going to introduce, of course, myself. So my name is Mayat Mariano. I'm a wellness coach. I'm based here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. I'm a mom and a mom of three. Okay, and then basically how I got into Herbalife Nutrition was because of my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law back in 2002, nag-start siya ng distributorship niya and she kept on sharing with me. So biro mo 2002 pa lang I've been using already the some of the products. So I said some. Why? Kasi I was based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Kaya limited yung of course yung availability ng product sa amin. But then pag umuwi kami, ayun, nakakadala ko ng mga shakes, yung mga ibang supplements. By the way, which I use as for my prenatal and postnatal supplements for two of my children, my two younger children, mga Herbalife Nutrition babies yon. And when I was in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, I was in the hospitality company. Yung hospitality company, the nature of the business, if you belong to the hospitality industry, no, the nature of the business is really very demanding and stressful. So that took a toll on me. And what happened was, na pabayaan ko yung sarili ko. I wasn't being active anymore, meaning I wasn't doing my regular exercises. And then my eating lifestyle was very bad kasi nga, I had access to free food, a lot of free food and snacks and drinks, which I took advantage of. I could say I abused it, no? But so yun, nag-reflect yun sa, of course, sa health ko. Naging obese ako and nahirapan ako yung sa mga paglalakad ko, nahinihingal ako kaagad. So I didn't really like that anymore. And I was struggling kasi nga, we were not in the Philippines where we had full access to the supplements that we love. And yung create yung awareness namin limited din kasi we were not exposed to this kind of communities that we have now. So count yourself very lucky na nandito tayo sa dito sa virtual nutrition club natin, no? And then so when we came back home here for good in the Philippines, doon ako na-introduce to the healthy breakfast program inside a nutrition club. And napaka-grateful ko nun kasi doon ko na-realize yung tamang pagkain, 'di ba? Ano yung tamang oras kakakain at kung paano mo din kakainin yung mga pagkain na yon. And then yung I'm also blessed that my husband is a personal trainer. So na-combine yon. And yun na yung naging shift ng mindset ko about what I eat and about being active. And because of that, ang result nun is I lost a total of 40 pounds, okay, in the 14 inches of my waistline. So nakita naman niyo yung yung difference from the picture on the left hand side is in 2012. 5 years later when we were doing um Herbalife Nutrition because yung of our results kasi, we also decided that i-move up namin yung aming membership into a distributorship. So we also put up our own nutrition club and fitness club, and that was in 2017, that picture in the middle. And then even 8 years later, because of our decision to change our lifestyle, and even 8 years later, today, okay, we are still enjoying the benefits of yung wellness, yung decision namin na yon, to be well, to be healthier together, 'di ba? To live our best life. Yan. So, enough na of my story, no? Let's go na to our topic. So, I just explained to you previously where this topic came about. It was from an article from Asian hospital, but then it's integrated with the Herbalife nutrition wellness concept. Okay, so pag sinabi natin good health ba, ano ba, what comprises it? So there are 3 bullet points there. Number one, when you say good health, you need to have a good immune system. Yan. You need to have proper food consumption. And of course, yung yung pagte-take mo ng vitamins, ng minerals, and other dietary supplements. Yan. That basically, encompasses when we say good health. Okay? Unfortunately though, sa dami ng mga ng mga products sa marketplace, naguguluhan tayo. So even if you want to practice self health advocacy, you of course have to choose the right companies, even the right communities that will support your advocacy. Now, in a survey that they put out, kay Herbalife Love Surveys, and rightly so, kasi doon mo nakikita yung facts eh. Sabi doon sa survey na yon, 60% of consumer respondents in Asia Pacific were confused about nutrition facts. Even less than 25% answered half or more of the questions, even just about the general knowledge about nutrition. Okay? So sabi nila dito sa article, it is important that consumers have adequate access to the right information as they achieve their health and wellness goals. Yan. So for you to be able to practice that self-health advocacy, dapat meron kang access sa tamang impormasyon, di ba? Otherwise, why will you promote something that you're not even sure of? Yon. So, yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, 'di ba, yung importance of micronutrients, yung sa healthy breakfast, which was well presented by Coach Sally Jimeno. Na-mention niya doon about why it's so important that we need these micronutrients. Ang nakakataka dito, 1 in every 3 individuals globally suffer from what is known as hidden hunger. Now, when you say hidden hunger, it's actually yung lack of micronutrients. Deficient ang mga tao sa micronutrients. Bakit? Kasi nga, hindi sila aware. Hindi, kulang yung knowledge nila about when you say micronutrients, ano ba yung vitamins and minerals? Ano yung kailangan ng katawan natin? In fact, in another survey, 33% of the consumers here in Asia Pacific, okay, 33% lang ang knowledgeable about health benefits and vitamins and supplements. Siguro kasama na doon yung mga Herbalife international distributors. Yan. And then in terms of in terms of yung hunger for information, 4 in 5 in that particular survey said, I would like to know more. Ayan. So let's go to the next slide. So here, in this article, it's also saying, well, obviously, we need to create awareness and education dito sa because of the results of that survey. Then there's really various ways of a healthy diet and supplementation that can boost yung general immunity natin, yung health and physical fitness. Maraming marami talagang paraan 'yan. Pero itong dapat nating tandaan, yung nutritional needs vary from person to person. So it helps to consider a multifaceted approach to wellness. nandiyan dyan pinapasok yung targeted nutrition. Kasi iba-iba yung pangangailangan natin eh. We're all in different seasons of life. Iba-iba naman, iba naman tayo ng gender. So if you read an article that says, okay, this vitamin is good for this. But it depends. Okay, it depends on what your needs are. And that's why targeted nutrition ang pinapa-focus natin. So how can you help with paano tayo makakatulong yung sa targeted nutrition? Paano natin malalaman what do we really need? What the For me at my age now, I'm 59 years old. Okay, I'm a woman. I'm in my menopause stage na. Okay, what do I really need? Yeah. So sabi nila, there's several things that you need to consider when you look for a nutrition company that will support your advocacy, okay, or that will support your health. Number one dyan is yung reputation ng company. Okay, so what is it about reputation? First of all, you look at the leadership. Nakalagay dyan. You get solid information about the company's governance, management team, and even the group of advisors in the public domains can establish an initial level of credibility. So when you look at yung mga leaders natin, the doctors who are in our dietary board, you check out their credibility. Paano nyo yan malalaman? You attend what we call our HOM o yung mga STS natin na mga events. Okay, Coach Mike, ano ba yung HOM and STS events na yan? Yung mga kick-off, yan. Ano ba yung mga yan? Please continue to listen to our VNC. Yung hosts natin, they do such a great job of informing you about this event. So, and yeah, just ask the coach who invited you. Okay? And that's why we always really encourage people na stick to this community. Dito, you get a daily dose of what you need. Okay? Quality standards. Yan. Isa pa yan sa mga dapat titingnan nyo sa kumpanya. The next step in understanding the company's dedication to science, quality, and safety. Yan yan. Does the company source its raw ingredients with the utmost care? The level of scientific and medical experts employed can also be looked at. So yun yung mga factors na i-consider nyo when you want to engage in and when you want to get the support of a particular nutrition company. Saan nyo man malalaman? Eh syempre dito din sa Virtual Nutrition Club natin. And of course dun sa mga events, lalong-lalo na pag yung event na yon when they have a dedicated product training, di ba? Doon yung makikita, and that's where you can develop confidence in a company. Okay, next, let's go. Ano pa? Ang kailangan yung dapat malaman, yung mga local agency information. What do you mean by this? Local government agencies and organizations work in parallel with the industry players to establish and improve food and nutritional standards. And again, okay, kanina dun sa presentation ni Coach Sally, nakita nyo yung mga certifications natin, yung mga recognitions natin. There's actually more to that. More to that. So if you want to see a whole list of yung ating mga recognition and certifications, you attend the trainings and events. Doon ako nagkaroon, when I was attending that, doon ako nagkaroon ng confidence. O, ano pa? You also look at the supplement formats. Kasi ang dami dyan eh. The supplements can be in the form of tablets, capsules, yung mga chewables, okay? And gummies, especially for the kids, in the form of powder, in the form of, merong they call it functional beverages and liquid supplements. Ay, nako. Do I need to say more? Pag nakita nyo yung ano pa lang yung slide na pinakita nila dun sa healthy breakfast, yung mga ano natin, 'di ba, yung mga nutritional supplements natin. It comes in all kinds of forms na nakalista diyan. Okay. Now, the other thing that you need to look at is this company promoting mental health? Okay? Kasi when you say wellness, it's not just composed of physical wellness. Of course, makikita, yung kanina, yung sinabi naman ni Coach Cecil Garcia, di ba? It's comprised of a whole lot of things. Physical, spiritual. Okay, so every Sunday, we also provide you with that. And then mental. Okay, so mental health is wealth. you need to look for a company that strengthens mental health systems. So individuals must also take steps towards promoting self-mental well-being. Alam niyo, being in a community, ang laki ng support niyan eh. It makes a big difference. Kasi when you join a group of people na may similar wellness goals or even life stages, it can help you be motivated in your own personal journey. And ano yun eh, once you are encouraged, once you establish a different mindset, that's part of your mental health. Yon. Other things that you need to look out for. Staying fit with technological assistance. Oh, sino ba ngayon ang hindi pa high-tech? Everyone is ano now so much into technology. So even wellness is using technology to reach out to many people. So but take a look at what's happening. 'Di ba? Sabi dito, technology and social media also play important roles in healthy active living. Do you agree? I agree. Why? Kasi makikita mo dyan, meron ng mga wearables, may mga fitness trackers where you run, namamonitor yung heart rate mo, namamonitor yung speed mo, namamonitor yung even yung ano mo, yung um tawag dito, yung mga BP mo, 'di ba? Ang daming fitness and nutrition apps. Yung iba nga dyan, it's countless. It's countless. When you look at your phone and you look at your app store, ang dami mong pagpipilian. You can also take a look at some other online platforms. Here in Herbalife Nutrition, when you go to the website, if you're a member, ang dami nating access to videos and yung mga exercise programs that you can do on your own. Yan sa bahay. You can also, even online, you can enroll for fitness classes. And then, of course, in Herbalife Nutrition, we are also present in social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're on X, di ba? And then you can look for inspirational posts. Ang dami doon. Of course, articles because we have doctors who write articles about fitness and wellness. Blogs, vlogs, ang dami dyan. Podcasts. Yes, we do also have podcasts. Webinars. Ito madalas ang dami nating webinars. You just need to ask the coach who invited you where you can attend this. And of course, syempre, mawawala ba yung FB live sessions, which is the main goal of our virtual nutrition club almost on a daily basis kasi wala naman tayo every Monday. That's when we take off, no? You can learn so much just by listening. Yon. In fact, yung Herbalife Health Survey among 5,500 consumers, sinabi doon that 1 in 2 of the respondents in that survey use technology to support their healthy lifestyle goals. So imagine 50%. Okay? So I think that's it for my topic today. Thank God I'm right on time. Thank you very much. And we encourage you, to those who are listening today, especially, if you're really into wellness and health and physical training, stick with our virtual nutrition club, stick with the Herbalife nutrition community. There's so many ways that you can learn how to take care of yourself. And we here in Herbalife Nutrition, kaming mga coaches, we are trained, we are consistent in updating our knowledge so that we can also support and help you live the best life that you can have. So let's get healthier together. Thank you.